They knew exactly what was coming, and they chose not to fight. In December 1835, roughly 900 Maori warriors landed on the Chatham Islands, a remote stretch of land far off the coast of New Zealand. Living there were the Moriori, a peaceful people of around 2,000 souls who had followed a sacred law for generations. It was called Nunuku's Law, absolute non-violence, no exceptions. When the warriors began killing and enslaving the Moriori, the elders gathered, they debated, they voted, and they chose to honor the law. No weapons were raised, no resistance was organized. They accepted what was coming because their code demanded it. By 1900, fewer than 100 Moriori were still alive. Historians still debate what that choice means. Was it profound moral courage, or the decision that ended a people? The Moriori held their values even when holding them cost everything. The question they left behind is one nobody has fully answered. What is a moral code worth if following it guarantees you disappear?